In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a music producer profile picture using AI. Free tools. Open Canva in your browser and create a new design with a 1080 by 1080 canvas. A square format is perfect for profile photos across most platforms and keeps your artwork crisp and centered. Once your canvas is open, head to the Apps panel on the left and choose Text to Image. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar inside Apps to find it. Now type a simple, clear prompt that tells the AI exactly what you want. You can use something like music producer profile picture, cool lighting, clean modern portrait, headphones, studio background, sharp detail, professional style. Keep your prompt direct, focusing on the subject, lighting, setting, and overall vibe. You can tweak details like mood or color language later during editing, so keep the prompt efficient. Next, choose a visual style. Photo and realistic will give you lifelike results, great for professional profiles. Concept art can push a stylized look with bolder shapes and dramatic lighting. If you want an edgier aesthetic, Cyberpunk emphasizes neon accents and futuristic tones. Pick the approach that matches your brand and the platforms where you'll use the image. Click Generate and let the tool create options, review the results, and pick your favorite. Look for good facial symmetry, clean edges around the hair and headphones, and a background that doesn't distract from the face. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas and scale it so the eyes sit roughly 1/3 down from the top. That composition tends to feel balanced and confident. Time for finishing touches. In the Edit or Adjust panel, apply a subtle photo filter to unify tones. Add shadows to create depth and make the subject stand out. A soft glow around the edges can add atmosphere without washing out detail. Keep it light. Light leaks are great for adding movement and a music studio vibe. Position them so they don't cover the eyes. Finish with color grading. Adjust temperature, tint, contrast, and highlights to lock in a cohesive look. Aim for strong mid-tone contrast and clean, flattering skin tones. When you're happy, export your image. Download as PNG for the highest quality and sharper edges, especially if you might reuse it on banners or thumbnails. Choose JPG if you need a smaller file size for quick uploads. That's it. Your AI-crafted music producer profile picture is ready to post.